I sent the same resume to 50 companies. Identical experience, same education, same skills. The only difference? One resume led with AI certifications and ChatGPT expertise. That resume got rejected 3 times more often. Something has shifted in hiring over the past 8 months. And if you've been adding AI buzzwords to your resume, you're probably making yourself less employable. Right now, there are 2 types of job seekers. The first type stacked their resumes with AI-powered, machine learning, and prompt engineering. They took boot camps and got certified. They're getting ghosted. The second type barely mentions AI at all. They lead with 15 years of industry experience and concrete outcomes. They're fielding multiple offers. Here's what companies learned in 2023 and 2024. Hiring AI experts was a disaster. They brought in people who could prompt ChatGPT and build basic automations. Those people could use the tools, but couldn't do the actual job. A major insurance company spent $12 million on an AI claim system and the team to run it. The AI worked flawlessly by every technical metric. But when it made mistakes, nobody caught them. The team trusted the model because they were AI specialists, not insurance specialists. They didn't know what a suspicious claim looked like. The company killed the entire system. That's when hiring managers figured out the problem. They didn't need more people who could use AI. They needed people who could think around AI. People with judgment. People who'd been in the industry long enough to know when the machine was wrong. Recruiters are now actively avoiding resumes that lead with AI expertise. One recruiter told me directly, if we mention AI in the job title, we get 500 applications from people with 2-month certificates. We want the 20-year veteran who's willing to learn new tools, so we bury the AI requirement deep in the description. Companies want AI skills, but they're hiding that fact to filter out people who made AI their identity. This is the gap. While you've been racing to prove you're AI capable, hiring managers have been hunting for people who have irreplaceable domain expertise and can layer AI on top of it. Not AI experts trying to learn the domain. What are they actually hiring for? First, judgment. Can you tell when the AI is wrong? Most people can't. They see a confident answer and assume it's correct. But experienced professionals have pattern recognition. They've seen enough edge cases to know when something feels off. That instinct is worth more than any technical skill. You can't learn it in a boot camp. Second, translation. AI doesn't understand business context. Someone needs to translate a messy, real-world problem into something AI can process, then translate the AI's output back into a decision a human team can execute. This isn't technical work, it's communication work. Job postings mentioning AI translator, AI liaison, or AI business analyst increased 340% between Q1 and Q3 of 2024. These aren't engineering roles. They're hybrid roles. They want your industry knowledge first, your AI capability second. Third, cleanup. Enterprise AI creates enormous amounts of mess, inconsistent formatting, hallucinated data, outputs that need human review. A financial services firm has an entire 8-person team reviewing AI-generated reports before they go to clients. Those people aren't data scientists. They're experienced analysts who can spot when numbers don't make sense. The job posting? Senior financial analyst. AI mentioned nowhere. When you lead your resume with AI certifications, you're telling hiring managers you're a trend chaser without deep expertise. Even if you have 15 years of experience buried lower on the page, they never get that far. Recruiters spend 6 seconds on a resume. If those 6 seconds scream AI bootcamp grad, you're done. Meanwhile, the resume that leads with reduced supply chain costs by 18% through strategic process redesign and mentions AI in one buried line, that person gets the callback. Because that resume signals domain expertise, not tool obsession. If you want to close this gap, reframe your entire positioning. Stop making AI your identity. Make it infrastructure. Lead with outcomes, not tools. Instead of utilized ChatGPT to streamline content workflows, Write reduced content production time by 40% while maintaining brand consistency. Signal judgment, not enthusiasm. Add a line like, experienced in evaluating AI outputs for accuracy, bias, and business applicability. This tells them you're a skeptic who won't trust the machine blindly. Bury the AI skills. Put them in a single line under technical proficiencies. Don't let them dominate your summary or experience section. Your value proposition should be deep expertise in X, amplified by strategic use of modern tools. Not AI expert trying to learn X. This gap is widening fast. As more people flood the market with AI certifications, the value drops towards zero. Basic AI literacy is becoming table stakes. But judgment, context, and cleanup skills are getting more valuable because they're scarce. In 12 months, AI-powered professional will mean nothing on a resume. But 15 years of logistics experience with proven ability to integrate automation will get you hired immediately. The companies that panic-hired AI specialists in 2023 are now firing them and replacing them with experienced professionals who can actually do the job. Don't be the person who gets replaced. Be the person who can't be replaced because the machine can't do what you do. Your resume should prove one thing. You're a human expert who makes AI useful, not an AI user hoping to become an expert.